How to log into your Gap credit card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily log into your Gap credit card account online. So let's get started. So first, just open up any of your browser. I prefer Google Chrome, and simply search in for Gap credit card login. So just tap on the first link which appears over here. Since it's managed by Barclays, so don't worry, just tap on the first link over here. And you can also actually do the same or follow the same instructions from the app as well. So in this case I'm using my online version, that is Google Chrome, and from over here just enter your registered username as well as your password. So make sure all of your details are correct, and once you do all of that, you might as well uncheck or check this button based on your choice. If you want your browser to remember you next time you log in, it will be easier, so you can check accordingly. And just tap on login button over here to successfully log in or sign into your Gap credit card account online. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.